You ain't got nothing I want. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I did this look right here. I used the Alamar. I really hope that I'm saying this name right, but I used this Alamar and I got it out of my BoxyCharm, and I am really loving these colors. This is inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba. I really love these colors. They're very pigmented. We have some these four right here are mattes, and these right here are shimmers. I think I better not say these names because I will jack them up, but I'm not going to say these names. But I did use this palette on this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and before you leave, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video, and also go ahead and hit that bell so you can get notifications when I do my next upload. But until then, I will see you in my next upload. Bye. Alright, so right here I'm using my LA Girl Pro in Fawn to I'm applying it to my eyelids, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out so that way I can have a smooth canvas.
It's VQs. Original Batman.
And next you're going to see me go ahead and set that with translucent powder in Airspun. I love the way this powder smells, and this is like one of my go-to setting powders. I love it. I love it. Right here I'm going to be using the Alamar palette that I got into my June BoxyCharm box, and the first color that I'm pointing to is going to be my transition color. I'm looking at it like that because the pigment is the eyeshadow is just so pigmented. Look at that, yes. And I love this orange color. It's like an orangey red, like a nice warm tone color. So I'm just blending this in my crease. Next I'm going to put this in my crease. I am to define my eyeshadow more. So this is like the second color that I'm applying. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. And this is my first time doing a voiceover, guys, so please bear with me if you see me mess up a little bit or I'm stuttering over my words. I promise you it will get better. So now I'm just blending it out, just making sure I have no harsh edges. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So I'm blending it out a little bit more, making sure everything is blended well, blended together. So now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro again, but this time I'm using it in Toffee to cut my crease. I love doing cut creases now, half cut creases actually.
Original Batman. Lego.
Alright, so right here I'm applying the eyeshadow on to the cut crease that the half cut crease that I did. The color is El Melcion is what I'm using in that palette, in that same palette. It's like a greenish, kind of like a gold, like a goldish color. It's very pretty. So right here I'm using the color that I use in my crease to kind of blend my blend that eyeshadow together so that way you can't see where it starts and where it ends. So I'm just using that in my outer V. Right here I'm using eyeliner. I don't have that eyeliner in front of me right now, so I will be listing everything that I'm using in the description box. So I will be listing that eyeliner in the description box. So right here I did apply my eyelashes off camera. I did use my Ziva lashes. They're the Ziva lashes in Row. I love these lashes because it kind of flares out a little bit and is good for my hooded eye queens. And then you saw me apply my primer. I did use the Cover FX blurring primer, and I did apply my foundations. I do have to use 2 foundations to make my color. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in Toffee, and the SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation in Coconut. And guys, let me know if you like my voiceovers, and if not, I would, you know, do more music, or I would do the voiceovers, kind of mix it up a little bit, so that way you guys won't get so bored with my channel. And right here I did apply my concealer. Is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I love this concealer. It's in Nutmeg. And right here I am applying the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Honey. Every time I do this, I always think I look like an Indian. So cute. So you can see me, I'm blending it out. I like using brushes to blend out my concealers now. I don't really care too much for the sponges under blending out my under eye concealers. I feel like the brushes get it a lot better than the sponges, or the beauty blenders, I should say. Alright, so once again, I'm grab my air spun to set underneath my eyes. So why are you calling my phone? You ain't got nothing I want. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and wipe away that setting powder, and I'm using the BlackRadiance Soft Focus. I can't remember what color this is because it kind of wiped off on the top, so I don't know what color it is, but it is the BlackRadiance Soft Focus. And you can see I'm using my contour palette, also from BlackRadiance, medium to dark. Love this contour palette. Just warmed up the skin a little bit. Kind of bronzing, not really contouring, just kind of bronzing. I don't really like to contour, just warming up my skin. And right here I'm using the Rimmel Scandal Eyes eyeliner. This eyeliner is so bomb. It goes on so smooth, doesn't tug or nothing. I love it. So right here I'm just doing what I did on top, just kind of blended the bottoms a little bit. Now I'm adding my mascara. I'm adding the Scandal Eye mascara. This mascara is bomb as well. Go ahead and set the face. I'm using the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Spray. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight. My highlight, I'm using the Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. Highlight that nose, girl, yes. Go ahead and do our lips. And I do appreciate you guys for watching this video and bearing with me with my first voiceover. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, deuces.
I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. Hello, I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right.